absolutely adore pigs. And she's called Rosie.
She is. Mind your nose, Rosie. Nosy Rosie.
No.
Butch, stay there.
No, but stay there. Stay. Oh, Rosie, you're having a very big wee. Oh, you are, Rosie.
Yeah, look. There's, you don't see that every day.
Yeah.
Hello. Oh my God.
She'll find that. Yeah, look. Yeah.
Look, food.
Oh, look.
Rosie, look.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's irrelevant now.
Hello there. Hello. I won't go near you. You're a bit of a feisty lot. Hello. I love pigs. So, what's it all about then? They're very vocal. Hello. I know what you see. We brought food. Oh. Hello. Oh. Oh my word, you've got a lot to say. Three little piggies went to market. Hey. I've got to say that. You got one? Can you run in there? Oh, there's a couple of eggs in there.
Leave the white ones in there.
They're brown.
Yeah, take the brown ones out.
Yeah. Oh my God, Paul, can't we get one in the garden? Not that the foxes would get them.
Absolutely. Here we have Debbie collecting eggs.
About to drop them, I think.
Yeah.
Right.
That's it. Oh, look.
Oh, dog's gone under there.
Hello. 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 Oh, look at you. Hello. He's coming with the treat. He's coming. Yes, he is. Oh, my funny. Hello. Lucky was fed by a bottle, so she'll come in the house. Back. Oh, look.
God, don't be last. Oh, look at them all. Don't be last, guys.
Look, stop eating that shit. Oh my goody God. Oh look, you've got it all in the back of that one.
Right, they'll lose that road round the field.
Here we got Debbie talking to the cows. Oh, here we got Debbie.
Right round.
Just hold it out. She'll take it up.
There you go, Teeks. Oh my word. He's gone.
So. Oh.
Now is this the little one or still Teeks?
Oh, no, give it to Tink. She's
Teeks.
Tink, yeah.
Yeah, I think.
Loves a banana.
Made short work of that. Hello, mate. You alright? I know. I know.
Really top.
Yeah.
She's lovely. Oh, cucumber. Look. There you go. I never realised they ate such things.
Oh, here we got Debbie with the chickens round her feet.
You gonna have some? Oh, look.
God.
Long tongue.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this pole. Look at your long tongue.
Yeah.
Hello, Teeks.
Was it worth it, mate?
Hey.
Yeah. Is it worth it, was it? All that nice scoff you got? Yeah.
Look at that long tongue.
Yeah. Got a wet nose. Here we go.
Oh, look. Oh,
There's
look.
all the other house, isn't it? And then beats her up. See, she beats
Yeah.
her up.
Oh.
Shut up, Rosie.
Oh, yeah, hello, Rosie.
Oh, don't tip it out. Tipping them all on the floor. You're tipping them on the floor. It's Rosie.
She's a bit fierce, actually.
Yeah, yeah. What's the matter, Rosie? What's the matter? Oh yes. God, that is one big piggy.
Oh, it's coming.
We got
Yeah, yeah.
Rosie having a little munch down there, look.
Llama, they're enjoying that.
Oh yes.
Well, no, we can hear you.
So what do you think of the pigs, Debbie, then?
I'm loving the pigs. Oh, look. They like them, don't
They
they?
certainly do. Like little piggies.